Does drawing cyclic rings make you a little bit nervous? Do your polygon artistic skills lack in certain areas? Stay tuned. I'm going to give you a 3-step foolproof plan for drawing 5, 6, and 7 carbon rings. The first step in our 3-step foolproof plan to draw the perfect cyclic ring is to start with the roof. Doesn't matter if it's a 5 carbon ring, a 6 atom ring, or the dreaded 7 atom ring. Start with the roof. Step 2 of our 3-step foolproof plan is to add the walls. For a size 5 ring, you'll angle those walls in just a little bit. For a size 6 ring, the walls go straight down. And for a size 7 ring, you're going to angle those walls out just a little bit. Don't make them out so much that they become collinear with the bonds you've already drawn. Just a little bit out. Your 7-member rings are going to look bad if you can't get this angle right. So practice this one a lot. Angle it out just a little bit. Finally, finish with the floor. For a 6 atom ring, that'll be a pointed floor. And for a 7 atom ring, we'll drop down to the floor. And that's it. Your 3-step foolproof plan for drawing the perfect cyclic rings. Now you just need to practice over and over and over again. I want you to draw 100 of these tonight before you go to bed. Start with the roof, 5 in, finish with the floor. Start with the roof, 5 in, finish with the floor. Start with the roof, 6 down, finish with the floor. Start with the roof, 6 down, finish with the floor. Start with the roof, 7 out, down to the floor. Start with the roof, 7 out, down to the floor. One question I often get asked is, what do I do if I have fused bonds? This 6 atom ring fused to a 7 atom ring where they share this bond. How should I draw a 7 atom ring starting with this bond if I'm supposed to start with the roof? My recommendation is to first draw your 6 ring and then tilt your paper so that this bond becomes one of the bonds of the roof. That allows me to draw the other bond of the roof. Walls still go out slightly and down to the floor. Then we can tilt our paper back and have it back in our regular orientation. What about you? Do you have another way to draw these polygons? Everyone seems to have their own way to draw the hexagon. Leave your method in the comments below and see if others draw it the same way you do.
I'm glad you're here with us for this training today. Check out these other videos in my playlists to see if there's anything else that can help you level up your ninja levels even further. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe.